All right, Banana Hobbies F-22. This is gonna be a really interesting flight. So Zach's didn't go so well. I'm hoping I can do better. Let's find out. All right, hold on. We've lost our nose cone, but we're gonna make another attempt. That was less than spectacular. Come on, you have to fly. I insist.
Do we need a Wyatt?
No, we're good. All right, we'll go that way. I need a plane that can that has enough power to lift itself. All right, we're gonna make one more, probably ill-fated attempt here. No.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, maybe not. We've lost the control horn. Well, let's take her back. We'll see if we can patch her up, and we'll make another attempt. I'm not encouraged. All right, folks, I was mistaken. The damage was greater than we'd thought. We're gonna call her grounded for the day until we can get that patched up properly.
Maybe a better power supply.
No, we have to keep up with what she's, supposed to fly on until she at least gets one. But
a little easier to repair than the blue one.
Yes, a lot easier to repair than the blue one. All right, we'll get her back out here. All right, we promised we'd get back out here and make one last attempt. I've given this thing every chance I can. The battery is small and light. It's put back together, and I'm gonna use Wyatt here, come on over, to give me the hand launch so I've got full control. Yeah. Sadly, our sun is almost gone, but we're gonna make this happen. Okay. Ready? Yep. That way. Yep. I know. What's that, dude? Come on, at least give me a shot.
No, that was terrible.
Yeah, no kidding. I said we're gonna give it every chance we can, man. Come on, throw it like a paper airplane.
Now I'll give you a more appropriate toss. Okay.
Good.
At least she's still on pace. Ready? She's inverting without me.
All right, like a paper airplane.
Done, without me.
I believe that, but we gotta have it perfectly level so we can prove it.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
All right. The nose cap's off again.
Nice.
Okay. Oh.
It's muddy. How's the battery? Dangling?
Excellent. Oh my goodness.
Whew.
All right. Not gonna use that for now. All right, so lost control horn. How many tries is that? 5, 6, 10. I've lost count. All I can say is this plane sucks. You know what? Don't get it. Last I heard they're on sale for 50 bucks. Don't give them 50 cents. This is a piece of junk. Let's go get something good. Till then, keep flying.
So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers. It's so true.
All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time,
Keep flying!